How to know if someone Hello and welcome to my channel, and today I will tell you how possible to find out if you are blocked in the app Viber. Watch the video to the end to avoid any mistakes and just follow me. First, go to the Viber app and go to the call folder at the bottom of the screen. If the person who blocked you has you in the contacts, you can easily check whether he blocked you or not. But if you do not have it in the contacts, you can try to click on to add option in the upper right corner and can try to add this person via mobile phone number. If you can't do it, you write that number is not correct, or you cannot add this contact. This person blocked you, and in the case you will not be able to contact this person and his account. The only way to contact and send messages, call this person, is to ask him to unlock. Otherwise, there is no way. On this all. Thanks for watching. Hope it was useful for you.